Hello friends, this is the sixth part of the complete review of all the resorts of Punta Cana. Today I'm gonna talk about this zone, the most distant resorts of Arena Gorda. Let's start from Royalton, Bavaro. This is a relatively new resort opened in December 2017, has new nice rooms. All the other amenities are also new and nice. There is a long lazy river, beautiful swimming pools. There are very nice soft sunbeds next to the pools. The beach is nice with interesting gazebos and bali beds. The only thing that they are not included into the regular package. The food is also good here. The minus is maybe that the territory of the resort is not that green because it's new. Although still they tried their best and in some places it looks really nice. The resort is not very big but not small either. It will take you like 5 minutes walking from the reception to the beach. There is no water park, just couple of small water slides. The guests of preferred club can use the water park of the Royalton Splash, but they might change it, so you better check. Overall, Royalton Bavaro is a good 5-star resort, especially if you don't care that the ocean is wavy. The next resort is Majestic. It consists of 3 hotels: Majestic Colonial, Elegance and Mirage. All the 3 Majestics very much look alike. The buildings are located in U-shape and there is a long swimming pool between them. Majestic Colonial is the oldest one, was built in 2005. Although they do renovation every several years, the rooms might be a bit old, but the territory is green and nice. All the hotels of Majestic have very good food. Majestic Elegance is like a twin of Colonial. It was opened in 2008 and a little bit more expensive than Colonial. Big rooms, the pool throughout the hotel, so everything is the same. And Majestic Mirage, the newest one. It was opened in 2016 and is the most expensive one, although the price difference is not big. The rooms are new and modern, as well as all the other areas of the Hotel Mirage. Although there are not so many green areas and palms as in the old ones, I mean in Elegance and Colonial. The beach in Majestic is the same as in the resorts nearby. The ocean is wavy. So the pros of the Majestics are big rooms, very good food, big variety of drinks included, long swimming pools which go throughout the whole resorts. I also like these bali beds on the beach and next to the pools. The minuses are the rooms might be old in Elegance and Colonial. Also, many areas belong to preferred club only, and if you booked a regular hotel, it might be difficult for you to find a sun chair on the beach or next to the pool. The guests of Majestics can go to each other's territory but cannot use restaurants and bars. The next resort on the coast is Royalton Punta Cana. It consists of 2 parts. Royalton Splash, which is further from the sea, and Royalton Punta Cana. Punta Cana also has exclusive part called Hideaway. Royalton Splash is located behind Punta Cana, but go to the same beach and can use there 1 restaurant and 1 bar during the day. There are trains which bring them to the beach, or you can walk. It's approximately 10 minutes. There is a big water park here in this area, also mini club for kids and teens. They have standard rooms and family rooms. The food is average, the hotel is not expensive. Royalton Punta Cana has a higher level and is located next to the beach. The food is better here, the rooms are also better, and there are more restaurants available for guests. Hideaway is a part of Royalton, which has their own beach, swimming pool and 3 buildings. It's adults only, and the guests of Hideaway can use all the facility of the whole Royalton. The minuses of this resort is maybe that some buildings are located very close to each other and not too many green areas. Also, the beach line is not very long, but the hotel is big, so the beach might be crowded. And don't forget about the waves. They are in all the resorts in this zone. The next resort is Occidental Caribe. It's one of the cheapest hotels in Punta Cana, but it's not bad at all. Yes, the rooms are small and very basic, but there is everything you need there. The resort is old and you can experience some problems in the rooms, but I like this hotel. First of all, it's very convenient. Everything is next to the beach, the rooms, the restaurants, all the amenities. There are 3 pools, many restaurants, a water park for kids, even trampoline. And one of the best features is the beach. It's very wide and long with lots of palms, natural shadow. It's really a very nice beach. The only thing that the ocean is also wavy here. So I think it's a good hotel for its price. The next resort is Rio Republica. It's a 5-star hotel, adults only. Good food, big territory, nice, lots of green areas. There is a water park, many restaurants, and like all the Rio, the resort is not very expensive. The minuses are that the rooms might have some problems because they are not new, and you might have difficulties to find a sun chair on the beach under the shadow. The hotel is big. The ocean is wavy here almost all the season. Overall, if you don't care about the waves and you found a good price, Rio Republica is a good option. Of course, it's not a luxury hotel, just not expensive Dominican 5-star. And the last resort in Punta Cana zone is Hard Rock. It's really huge. Behind the hotel, there are residential apartments and a golf course. Hard Rock has a very nice reception with lots of different restaurants, bars, cafeterias and boutiques. Also a big casino opened for public from other hotels. Almost every couple of months they have a concert of a famous singer here. You have to pay extra, of course. The minuses is that there are not so many green areas. The resort is huge, and when you walk from the reception to the beach under the sun, that's tough. They do have trains, but they go every 5 Dominican minutes, you know what I mean. And of course the ocean. The waves are rather high here. There are days when they don't allow you to swim, and it happens often. If you are with kids, forget about swimming in the ocean. I personally not a fan of Hard Rock. To pay a lot of money and not be able to swim in the ocean, not a very good idea. But many people prefer pools. Pools are good here, the food is also good, the rooms are big, so it might work for you. Okay guys, that was the last part of the big review of all the resorts of Punta Cana. I tried to objectively describe all the hotel's minuses and pluses. I hope my big review will help you to make the choice, and I will be very thankful to you if you subscribe to my channel. I will try to make a complete detailed review of every resort in Punta Cana. Please ask questions in the comments and see you here in the Dominican Republic. Bye bye!